Hi everyone, this is a short, hopefully short, video run through of a couple of the keyboard figures or phrases in Sirius by Alan Parsons Project. The first one is of course this. And after watching it played live and listening to it really slowed down, I've realized it's actually just a delay effect. At least that's what it seems like to me. Without the delay, and then engaging it, okay. So that's the effect, and I'm using a clavinova, or not clavinova, clavichord. You can't see it, it's off screen. Anyway, this is a Yamaha PSR 2000, and I have a clavichord setting, which is kind of close to what's on the recording. It's obviously not exact, but I think it's the closest I have as a preset, and I tweaked the digital signal processing, so I was able to get some delay out of it. Anyway, I think that's how they got the sound. As far as the notes, it's very simple. It starts on an E, F sharp, B, and then an octave down, B. So E, F sharp, B, B. Second time, it's E, F sharp, A, B. So and get the delay in again. Okay, so that's the first part that I wanted to go over. And then the second is the following. Sorry, start again. Clearly, I'm not a keyboard player or pianist. I'm just muddling through, but I think this is accurate. All right, let me break it down here. It starts on B, then a third above to the D, and then the octave above. And actually, each time it goes down, it's doing the same thing. Starts on the G next, third above, an octave, and then E. Okay, those are basically the shapes. Okay, and just in more detail, it's okay, so it's the root, the third, the octave, and then root, third. You're coming down like that. Then this figure. Same thing, a third down. And again. And then back to here. And that's the whole run through of that phrase. And then it goes back again and starts again on the B. Okay, hopefully that's clear. One note, all C's and F's are actually sharp. Okay, so. Here we go. And C sharp. Everything else is natural. All right, I hope that is clear. I hope it was helpful. And in terms of the setup of the keyboard, I already mentioned the clavichord with a delay. The delay, in my case, I have around 150 milliseconds. I think the song plays at about 112 beats per minute. That's what I was able to come up with anyway. And at that rate, about 100, actually I could be wrong. I think, let me see, just a moment. If you'll bear with me, I'm going to, yeah, about 140 milliseconds, 142 milliseconds for the left channel. I have this sort of bounce delay right and left channel, and I have 155 milliseconds on the right channel. That was just trial and error. Use whatever you want, but that gave me about the right amount of, or the right timing of the delay. And then for the other figure, I'm just using an electric piano setting, which I think on my keyboard is, it's called Venus Electric Piano, and it's the closest I could find. All right, I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.